Thanks for spending a minute with Malcolm during Lent. You know, when I was growing up as a Baptist preacher's kid, I had no idea what Lent was. I heard people talking about this Ash Wednesday and Lent. I didn't even know how to spell it until later, Lent. But I've learned since then that Lent can be an opportunity to push the reset button, to reflect on our spiritual journey with God more intentionally in these 40 days before Easter. It's kind of like yesterday. I was driving down the interstate behind a truck, and before I knew it, I hit something in the road, blew out two of my tires, and I pulled over and sat there for a moment and said, "Thank you, God. I'm okay." Sometimes Lent can be like pushing a reset button and thinking about my spiritual journey. I hope you will do that together. God bless you. God's peace be with you.